Hi guys, it looks like that Bitcoin is moving back to the upside, and that is something that I want to definitely talk about, if this is actually a sustainable move right now or if this is just another fake out and we actually drop here back into lower levels. So definitely let's chat about that. And yeah, thanks to all of you guys that have watched yesterday my video. The views were insane, so thank you really much for everybody that was watching the video. And if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these crazy important updates. And now let's get here straight into the content. So I'm here on the Bitcoin 4-hourly chart. So, and I had pointed out yesterday that we have here this symmetrical triangle, so and that the likelihood of breaking it to the upside based on textbook is quite lower than actually to break down. So, and what happened was that we got a small fake out to the downside, get done, then had a pump here now back to the upside. But while we are having this pump, we should not ignore that we are maybe here in a rising channel and a rising wedge, and also here the chances of a breakdown, if we are not breaking through this resistance here right now on this upward sloping resistance line, increases then the chances that we will actually break here lower one more time. So, but Bitcoin actually likes to fool us, especially with bearish patterns from time to time, and does exactly the opposite. So if we are breaking here now above 41,000, let's say $500, actually higher, I want to see this breaking $51,900, then I would say this pattern would be then invalidated because we broke then out of it and most likely go then a little bit higher. But to be here back in full bull mode, in my opinion, that to be happening, we definitely have to break here this resistance zone and flip this into support one more time. So, and that is around the $52,700, $53,000 area, where we have to see a volume supported move here in Bitcoin, and then some consolidation above that level, and then further upwards movement. So for now, I'm watching closely what's happening here right now. I have a small long position open, but nothing worth mentioning. It's more playing around with it. So you see here just 0.5 Bitcoin. So I'm here 60% in profit, 60 insane percent here on that small trade. I have obviously closed my short position yesterday. Let me show it to you here. There you see it. So here is the profit that I took out of it. So it was 0.2 Bitcoin. So I took a profit out of it. So because some people were saying, I got wrecked there. No, I didn't. I had my stop loss exactly as I had shown in the video, at the right place. So if I would get stopped out, that I walk home with profits, and that was exactly what happened on my short that I had open here. So and now with this position, like I've just shown you, see a 66% now in a profit. This is still rising, but I will also close this when I'm around the 100% level, or if I see a severe correction here to the downside, then I also will close this position. So, but yeah, here you see we are trying to break out right now out of this level. So if we would here substantially break here into higher levels, and we would actually break above the $53,000 area, there is my next area where I want to open a huge long position here to the upside. And that will be then also long position that I will keep open for quite a while one more time. So, but here comes now why I believe that we are in here for at least one more downwards move here, close to 50,000 or slightly under 50,000. That is when we're looking on the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI here on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart here is heavily overextended right now. So there has to come a correction of it to the downside. So the momentum has to go to the downside so that this can cool off, and then with new momentum back to the upside. So, but sometimes what happens is while the stochastic is going down, the price is more or less just chopping sideways. and then once it has completely cooled down here and bounces back to the upside, then the price just continues to rally to the upside. So that's why I'm a little bit cautious right now, because of that bearish pattern that we are seeing here, and that we are here highly overbought on the stochastic RSI. So it could be that we are in for just one more move to the downside and then see here further upwards movement. So, but I definitely don't want to rule out that it could also go the other way, because when we're looking on the daily, it looks different. There we actually got a buy signal. So for now, the daily wants continue to trend here into higher prices. So, and that can obviously overrule the 4-hourly, and this will just flatlining here at the top for quite a while until the daily comes down. That is also a possible scenario, but in the next, let's say 8 hours, we'll actually know where this is going. I'm prepared for both cases. So if this continues to go higher here, then I take my profits and I wait for 53,000 to be broken to open a new big long position here. And if we are breaking here to the downside and we would actually break down here out of this rising channel or this rising wedge, then I'm also prepared to take here short all the way down to the technical target here at $46,000 approximately. So either way, I'm prepared for both cases, and I will try to make money both ways. So, and if you also want to do this, then you can still go here to my pinned comment and into the description. Here you see still on a BYBIT, you get $4,100 in deposit bonus only with my link, and also on Phemex $4,100 in bonuses with my links. It takes only 15 seconds to register deposit and to start trading, but it's only for experienced traders, guys, so be careful out there and don't over leverage yourself. So then I wanted to show you also here on the 12-hourly chart. So here you can see we have not broken this massive upwards trending support line here. So, and we are now trying to break above this horizontal support line here one more time at $51,486. So we are actually slightly above this already. But we are now meeting here from this bigger falling wedge here that massively had faked out and initiated the breakdown, the downwards trending support line, which turned now into resistance. So, and yeah, here also we have to see how this is going to play out. It could be that we will just here start consolidating, chop sideways, like I said, and then go here to the upside. So, but I don't want to repeat myself too much here. So let's continue here, and let's also have a look into Ethereum. So Ethereum is one more time here front running the show. So we see here a massive rebound to the upside, which is obviously nice. And we actually have broken this downwards sloping resistance line here. So, and this looks to me on the 1-hourly chart like a small bump and run pattern. So because we have here our high point with the lead-in phase, then we have here now the bump. So, and this would be now the break of the neckline. So what needs to happen then to continue this would be that we get a little bit higher, then get a retest, then bounce, go higher, and then we have the upper run here to the upside. So I have also in my signals channel sent to you guys a signal for everybody that is part of it, an Ethereum trading signal. So if you want to be part of my signal channel also, the links are in the pinned comment below to join the signals channel where we are crushing it over and over again. So, but here obviously what are now the next targets for Ethereum? So I will not give too much away, but because like I said, it's now a paid signal that I sent out, so it would be unfair against everybody that's paying. So, but I will give you the next high target that I'm looking out for. So, and that is all the way up here at $4,600 approximately. So, and if we measure then also, so this was a crazy week, so I will just take here the candles. The technical target of this bump and run pattern here to the breakout point. So then this points to over $5,000. So $5,024. That is the technical target here on this bump and run pattern that we are seeing right now here in Ethereum. Something else that I want to point out here on the 1-hourly chart is that when we are looking on the Fibonacci retracements, then we see actually from this high point here, that we actually came all the way down here to the golden pocket, to the golden ratio here, and hit this exactly to the dollar here, and confirmed with this a double bottom. So, and that is also now the reason why we are rallying here into much higher levels. Also, when we are measuring this, so there we can measure it like this. So we maybe have met, no, we have not met the target yet. So there you see there is another confluential level of $4,600 that we should see this with quite certainty in the immediate short term as the next move here to the upside. So if you would enter from here now a long position to the technical target, so we're talking about 4.4% more or less with a 10x leverage, that would be 44% that you can bank here in profits on this trade right now. So, and obviously if you trade this then way higher to the technical target of the bump and run pattern here to $5,024 approximately, then we're talking here about 140% with a 10x leverage, which is just insane profits that we can make here as a community. And guys, now obviously let me know again in the pinned comment below if you took actually that trade, and let me then know tomorrow how your trade is actually going. I'm really curious how this is turning out for you guys. So then let's also have a look here on the total market cap for altcoins. So here we can also see that now the altcoins gaining here one more time momentum back to the upside. So the total market cap is here furthermore moving to the upside and increasing. So we got here nicely supported around the $2.13 billion mark, so which was here resistance, here it became support, here it was again resistance, so then it flipped here again to support, here resistance, but here since it became here support, it kept being support, and we saw this to be confirmed with the massive drop here, and this wick came straight back up. And then we got a support candle, a retest, and now we are rallying from this back to the upside. So the next level to watch here on the overall total market capitalization for altcoins is the $2.41 billion level that I would like to see broken one more time, and then the 2.6 trillion market cap to be flipped once again into support, because once we are flipping this back into support, we will see another attempt of breaking $3 trillion on the total market cap. So, and that should also put Bitcoin to around $70,000 and also Ethereum to $5,000 once we are reaching this specific dollar mark on the overall crypto market cap. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you for tuning in and for watching. Please don't forget, if you have not seen my passive income making videos, here the $100 a day video and here the staking opportunity that I was talking about, then definitely check this out. And don't forget, smash up the like button, make some noise for YouTube algorithm, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you tomorrow.